Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Jurassic World Evolution 3 game not launching, crashing, not loading, black screen, lagging or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through it. The first method is to restart the game once. For that, select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller, then select quit option. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, move to the next solution. Next is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cache data. For that, open settings and choose device and connections. Then click on Blu-ray. Here select persistent storage and after that select clear persistent storage. Next method is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, then select settings and choose network settings. Now test network connection, wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next is to check for Jurassic World Evolution 3 update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve the performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available and after updating the game check if the problem is fixed. If not, next solution is to clear cache of the game. For that, press Xbox guide. Now click on my games and apps, then tap on see all. Here search for Jurassic World Evolution 3 game, then press menu. Now select manage game and add-ons. After that, click on save data, then click on reserved space. Finally, tap on clear reserved space. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Then next go to account. After that, click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove. Then select remove option and after that add the account again and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to the latest and not running on outdated version. First open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to begin the updating process. Next method is to check storage. For that, press Xbox button. Now go to profile and system and click on settings. Now click on system and then click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else you have to delete some unused tabs or games to create space and after that try to launch the game. Next is to reinstall Jurassic World Evolution 3 game. So when the above methods doesn't work, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to my games and apps and select see all option. Here select Jurassic World Evolution 3, then press menu button, then select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Jurassic World Evolution 3 official website and download the game. If not, final method is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. You just have to go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue what you are coming across. Even you can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end and you can play the game without any kind of issues. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.